Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the IEEILULU. That means the brand name is IEEILULU. IEEILULU. Men's, women's, and so on. Fishing waders or trousers with boots. This waders with chest pocket and adjustable strap comes with nylon wader. It's for fishing, for example. These are trousers and waterproof non-slip mud trousers. Really cool for different kind of possibilities. For example, for gardening, for hunting, for fishing, for farming, for breeding industry, for mining, and so on. We have a lot of application scenarios, of course, for these pants here. And you can see there it looks really stylish. These are waders. This is a footwear. The waders denotes a waterproof boot and extending from the foot to the thigh, the chest, or even the neck. In this case here, it is the chest, nearly the chest. It will cover you up to the chest. And they are traditionally made from vulcanized rubber, but they are also available in more modern PVC, neoprene, and Gore-Tex variants. Here it is a PVC materials. The waders are generally distinguished from counterpart waterproof boots by shaft height. In my case, it's shoe size 46. That means you have to choose the right size of the shoes, and about this, you can buy it, and of course it will matches to your body, as you can see, and it's really waterproof, as you can see, because now we're in the pond, and I have a lot of fun there. It's no problem, for example. Waders are generally really cool if you like to be not wet while you go into the water, so approximately up to the chest, for example, in this. For the sake of emphasis, therefore, waders are sometimes defined by the extent of their coverage as tight waders, chest waders, or fully body waders. So this here is a chest waders. It's not a full body. It's not a thick waders. As the dry suit variant, full body waders comes with leg-tight cuffs or gloves, filled to the sleeves and with the leak-tight collar and a hood fitted for the neck. But this is so uncomfortable because it's so much material which has to fit with your body. Here it comes. It is a good wader for nearly every fisher out there. It is waterproof and breathable design. We can immerse ourselves in water sports activities confidently by wearing these waterproof pants with a built-in boots. It's made of reinforced nylon material. These trousers ensures waterproofness, of course. They also protect against moisture and wind, while providing breathability and keeping us dry and comfortable in different water environments. And with a robust nylon and a rubber material construction here. These water trousers are made of high-quality thickened nylon materials, which provides a robust and durable barrier against water. The reinforced rubber boot provides excellent resistance to slipping and abrasion with optimal wearing comfort, as we can move in the water. Also, it's making them ideal for rough and damp terrain. We have an adjustable elastic straps. We adjust the fit to our liking. The trousers are adjustable elastic straps on the shoulders, chest, and on the waist. This allows us to adjust the height individually and ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Whenever we are wading through the water or cleaning a pond, these trousers adapt to our needs. And we have versatile outdoor use. It's perfect for a variety of water-related activities such as outdoor fishing and pond cleaning. The waterproof design and the increasable durability makes this trouser suitable for different environmental and provides protection and comfort during aquatic adventures. And we have a comfort with built-in boots. The pants features the built-in boots. This eliminating the needs for separate footwear. The added thickness of the boots improves durability and provides additional protection against slipping, ensuring a hassle-free and safe experience during the water-based activities. There's also a separate chest pocket. A pocket for mobile phones and other essentials are available in this men's, women's, and so on waders available too. Slip in and have fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.